solving this exponential equation, you have 36 to the power of x plus 42 to the power of x equal to 49 to the power of x. So now let's work this thing out. Say 36 to the power of x plus 42 to the power of x is equal to 49 to the power of x. Dividing all the terms, dividing both the left hand side and the right hand side with 36 to the power of x. So now you have 36 to the power of x all over 36 to the power of x plus 42 to the power of x divided by 36 to the power of x is equal to 49 to the power of x divided by 36 to the power of x. Now this is 1 plus this is 7. This is 7 times 6 to the power of x. This is 6 raised to the power 2 to the power of x. Now you have this to be 7 to the power of 2 all over 6 to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 2 of x. Now we have this is 1 plus this is the same thing as 7 times 6 divided by 6 times 6 all to the power of x. Then this is 7 all over 6 to the power of 2x. Now 6 will cancel each 6 down here will cancel the 1 up, so we're left with 1 plus 7 all over 6 to the power of x equal to 7 all over 6 to the power of 2x. Now assuming the value of 7 all over 6 to the power of x is equal to y. So that means we have 1 plus y is equal to y raised to the power 2, because 7 to the power of 7 over 6 to the power of 2x is the same thing as 7 all over 6 to the power of x all to the power of 2. So meaning this inside here is your y raised to the power 2. So that is why this is 6. So now you can now express this to be y by adding minus 1 plus y to both sides of the equation. This will cancel out this. Now we're left with 0 at the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have y to the power of 2 minus y minus 1. So this expression is now y to the power of 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So the coefficient of y to the power of 2, which is a, is equal to 1. The coefficient of y is b equal to minus 1. Coefficient of c is minus 1. The coefficient of constant is minus 1. Now using the quadratic formula, we have our y to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a Now substituting these coefficients into the equation, you have minus into minus 1 plus minus the square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, all divided by 2 times 1. So we have minus times minus 1 will give you 1, plus minus, you have minus 1 square is 1, then this is plus 4 all over 2. So we have 1 plus minus square root of 5 all over 2, which then now implies that y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2, or 1 minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So since this is negative, this value, this one will give you an indefinite, it will not give a real solution. So now we are going to be using the positive value to solve for our x. So now, having assumed y to be 7 over 6 to the power of x, we now have to call it back. So 7 all over 6 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 all over 2. Now taking the logarithm to base 10 on both sides of the equation, you have log 7 all over 6 to the power of x base 10 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 to base 10. Now this is x log 7 over 6 base 10 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2 base 10. Now dividing all through by log 7 over 6 base 10 so we are now left, this will cancel out this. At the left hand side you are left with x, and at the right hand side that is the value of your x. Which is log 7 over 6 base 10. Now let's work it out with our calculator. We have 1 plus 5 square root is equal to x. Now divide by 2, then log 10 divide by brackets open 7 divided by 6 bracket close log base 10 is equal to, so the answer is 3. Let me just copy this, then copy the answer here, then paste. So the answer here now is x is equal to 3.121698. Now using this solution to compare, to see if the result, to compare the result to see if it's okay, you have 36 to the power of x plus 42 to the power of x is equal to 49 to the power of x. Now let's look at the left hand side of the equation. You have 36 to the power of x plus 42 to the power of x. Substituting the value of x we got, you have, let's go back to the calculator, you have 36 raised to power 3.121698 plus 42 3.121698. Now let's use our calculator. Now let me add this into our equation, into the memory. Now I'll say 36 raised to power, I'm going to call this, okay, added to the other one. Let me take it off. Let me say 36 raised to power of 3.121698 plus 42 to the power of 3.121698 is equal to one. It's 8921.64. Now the right hand side is 49 raised to power 3.121698. So we now say 49 to the power of 3.121698. So we have the same value. We have the same value. So that is that. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also do well to share the video. Thank you.